The silent destroyer, what you never knew about tooth decay and dental caries. Most people think tooth decay is just about cavities, a tiny hole, a simple filling, and you're good to go. But what if I told you that dental caries is actually one of the most complex, silent, and underestimated diseases affecting billions worldwide? In this eye-opening video, we're uncovering the hidden truths behind tooth decay and why ignoring it could be far more dangerous than you ever imagined. What exactly is tooth decay? Tooth decay isn't just about sugar and bad brushing habits. It's a biological battle inside your mouth. Bacteria feed on leftover food particles, producing acid that gradually dissolves your enamel, your tooth's protective shield. This ongoing process is much sneakier than most people realize. The science of dental caries. Did you know that dental caries is actually an infectious disease? Yes, certain strains of bacteria like Streptococcus mutans and Lactobacillus are the prime culprits. Left unchecked, these microscopic invaders can lead to cavities, infections, gum disease, and even systemic health problems. Early signs. You're probably ignoring sensitivity to hot, cold, or sweet foods, visible discoloration or white spots, bad breath that won't go away, occasional tooth pain or discomfort. Catching these early signs can save you from expensive and painful treatments later. The domino effect of untreated decay. Once decay breaches the enamel, it quickly invades the dentin and pulp, leading to nerve damage, abscesses, and in severe cases, tooth loss. But it doesn't stop there. Chronic dental infections have been linked to serious health risks like cardiovascular disease, diabetes complications, and even cognitive decline. Why prevention is power. The best way to combat tooth decay isn't treatment. It's prevention. Learn how. Master proper brushing and flossing techniques. Use fluoride effectively. Understand the role of diet and pH balance. Get regular dental checkups before problems escalate. Modern advances in fighting decay. Thanks to cutting-edge dental technology, we now have laser cavity detection, minimally invasive treatments, remineralization therapies, smart biomaterials that can even help reverse early decay. Whether you're someone who dreads the dentist or simply wants to protect your lifelong smile, this video will change how you think about your teeth forever. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more surprising dental secrets and professional health insights. Turn on notifications to stay one step ahead of tooth decay.